Let's learn together how to build a graphic package for your YouTube channel. Hello, in this course you will... in this course you will learn how to build a completely customizable graphic package for your YouTube channel or professional videos. We will build together 7 graphic elements. One opener, here it comes, to use at the beginning of your video. A lower third, like this one, to tell to your audience who you are and what you do in life. 3 different transitions, yes, those ones from the beginning, we know them very well. Here's the first, second one, and third. A subscribe button to tell your audience to follow you on YouTube and also turn the notifications bell on. And to wrap up your video, we're going to create an end board.
Rolling! Action!
My name is Mamore, I'm a professional content creator and YouTuber based in UK and Italy. Thanks for checking my video. If you want to know more about me, please go and check my profile page. So why should you join this class? Well, you can definitely buy a graphic package, a pre-made graphic package, but I think it's a better investment to get the graphic package and also learn the abilities to create it yourself. This would only be one of the benefits of the course, because with some creativity and editing knowledge, your graphic work will be endless and timeless. And who knows if these new skills will actually turn from an hobby to a profession. You will also work inside a single software, which will help you in the long run to save some money needed to buy other graphic animation programs. If you want to follow this class, I take for granted that you already have solid foundation of Adobe Premiere Pro and also of video editing. So I would address the masterclass to intermediate and advanced users. A complete beginner will struggle a bit more, of course, compared to an intermediate and advanced user, but still you will be able to achieve the same results if you follow me step by step. So this could be the right challenge for you to take your video editing to the next level. If instead you feel you need more video editing basics, then I recommend to go and check my courses page, where you can find my complete Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 video editing course and much more. But if you're looking for a completely different masterclass from the usual Adobe Premiere Pro ones that you can find online, join me here and I will be happy to welcome you with open arms. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon.